In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an analogy between the situation that took place in Israel and in Gaza, in the aftermath of the Gaza war and in what led to it, and to the criminal system, and how the criminal system relates to murder and attempted murder. Now, granted, a punishment that a person will receive for an attempted case of murder is different and less severe than the punishment he or she will receive if the murder attempt is actually successful. But in both cases, it's considered a serious crime, and even a failed attempt to murder somebody will bring somebody to jail for many, many years. Why? Because the attempt is not less important than the actual outcome. This is very, very relevant to those who say Israel's response to the missiles sent by Hamas to Israel over 8 years and 10,000 missiles was disproportional because of the number of dead Israelis. The fact remains that every single time Hamas shot a rocket into the center of a city in Israel where innocent civilians reside, that was a case of attempted murder. And so we can say that over 8 years have passed, and in those 8 years there have been many thousands of attempted murder cases, because every missile can potentially kill many Israelis. Now, the fact that the missiles didn't end up killing Israelis says nothing about the Palestinian intention or about Hamas's intention for that matter. It only says that Israel dealt with it very wisely. But at the end of the day, the ratio between the amount of Israelis killed by Palestinians over the past 8 years and the amount of Palestinians killed by Israel in 3 weeks is not a testament to disproportionality. On the contrary. And if you want to know why the amount of dead Palestinians on their side as a result of Gaza wasn't disproportional, simply look at the other video we prepared, which proves that Israel by no means went in with its guns blazing. It did not intend, nor did it try, to kill as many Palestinians as possible. And if at all, the number of dead Palestinians through this war is an indication of how careful Israel really tried to be. So, to recap, compare murder to attempted murder. Show people that the intention to kill is a very severe crime. And the fact that 10,000 different types of missiles over 8 years sent purposefully into the heart of innocent civilian populations in Israel is crime enough to justify a country's going in and making sure that that doesn't happen anymore. We don't have to wait till they kill thousands of Israelis. It's enough that they keep trying for us to take preventive action.